Judges ain't going to allow me to escape this scam. It's a scam trial, and it's a political witch hunt. It continues, and it continues forever.
Donald Trump is set to make history once again, but this time not for his presidency. On January 10th, just days before his swearing-in ceremony as the 47th President of the United States, Trump will face sentencing in New York for his hush money conviction. New York Justice Juan Merchan has signaled that Trump will receive an unconditional discharge. This means no jail time, no probation, and no fines for the president-elect. The sentencing can take place in person or virtually. Convicted in May of falsifying business records, the charges stem from a $130,000 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels, allegedly to silence her claims of a sexual encounter with Trump. Trump has denied all wrongdoing, calling the case a rigged charade.
Today we witnessed the most evil and heinous abuse of power in the history of our country. Very sad thing to watch.
On his Truth social media platform, Trump has dismissed the case as unconstitutional, claiming it threatens the presidency itself. His spokesperson also said that process is a hoax. Justice Merchan has proposed measures to address concerns about the case interfering with Trump's presidency, including delaying the sentencing until 2029 or ensuring no prison time. Despite this, the president-elect's legal team has vowed to keep fighting the conviction. Trump, now the first convicted felon elected to the White House, is also entangled in 3 other criminal cases. Legal experts believe the hush money case was unlikely to lead to jail time due to his age, legal precedent, and political standing. As Donald Trump prepares to begin his term amidst a cloud of legal battles, January 10th will mark a crucial moment in his unprecedented political journey. With Ridhima Kedia, NDTV.